Welcome to a microcourse on clustering. It is a technique used to group similar data points together. Let me demonstrate clustering using data related to cars. The data has brand name of the car, its technical characteristics, and price. Our objective is to make groups of similar cars. One of the first tasks, while clustering, is to select number of clusters. Elbow curve analysis is a popular method for selecting the optimal number of clusters. It works by plotting the number of clusters on the x-axis and the inertia on the y-axis. The optimal number of clusters is usually at elbow point, where the curve starts to flatten. Here we see that ideal number of clusters is 5. Another approach for deciding on number of clusters is analyzing number of records by cluster. Here we see bar graph for number of clusters and how many records are in each cluster. Too few clusters can lead to overly broad groups, while too many can make interpretation complex and less meaningful. Let's proceed with 3 number of clusters. Now we are all set for clustering. The clustering algorithm used here is K-means. Each record will be assigned a cluster. Clusters can be visualized using a scatter plot. Here we see 3 clusters, which are well formed. However, what do these clusters mean? Interpreting cluster is crucial to understand what the clusters mean. Radar chart is an efficient way to interpret clusters. Based on radar chart, we can make following interpretation. Cluster 0 is for small cars due to least value of length, width, height, weight, engine size. Cluster 1 is for large cars due to high value of length, width, height, weight, engine size. Cluster 2 is for medium cars due to medium value of length, width, height, weight, engine size. Let's do a quick knowledge check. What is clustering? Answer is that it is a technique that groups similar data points together into clusters based on shared characteristics. Next question. What is elbow method? A technique used to determine the optimal number of clusters by identifying the point where adding more clusters yields little improvement. What is K-means? A clustering algorithm that groups data points into a set number of clusters by minimizing the distance between points and their cluster centers. Congratulations, you have completed microcourse on clustering.